We started looking with our realtor at older homes because most of those were 4 or 5 bedrooms, but they all needed renovating. So she finally said on the second day when we were driving around, I know of this new place called Gracewater I think you might be interested in. So when she drove us out here, we just loved the whole concept because she showed us the pickleball courts, the amenity center. We could find something brand new. We didn't have to do anything to because we figured it's $100,000 to renovate a home. So one of the factors were that it would be brand new, we wouldn't have to do anything. And we said yes right when we first saw it. It was great. We had so many options. It wasn't just a move-in house. We could pick everything out. So we were able to choose flooring, cabinets, just everything, every detail. So it was great that we had so many choices. We really like the big laundry room. We have a really big laundry room where we put extra cabinets. We love the kitchen. We love the view and the big front porch. In Tallahassee, we have a lot of big front porches, but when we looked around Sarasota, there's hardly any homes that have a front porch at all. We love the big porch. We love the lanai in the back. We like to sit out with our glass of wine and watch the sunset in the evening or drink our morning coffee out front. It's really nice, and we love the dog park. You know, that big oak tree is so nice for the dog park. We love it because it's so close to the airport. My daughter works at New College and 2 of her children go to school at New College, so it's only 10 minutes to work now opposed to 30 minutes before, so she saves so much time on the road. We love the beaches, so we can still go straight over to Lido Beach or even down to any of the beaches, so it's really close. Yes, and we love being close to the shopping center, UTC, yes. Well, there's something for everyone. I mean, no matter what age. I mean, you've got pickleball courts, you've got swimming pool, you've got streets to do your walking. I would say any family could move here and be happy, all the way from retired to young families to singles. So there is something for everybody out here.